A lot of times I get asked this question: why should we channel our past lives? What is the value of going into a life that is over? And how does healing happen at the level of past lives? Whereas it is true that not every problem requires a past life regression, and there is no such requirement to go into the past lives, but there are issues, there are relationships, there are karmic energies that go very much into your past lives, and to solve them in this life, we do need to go sometimes into the Akashic records and into the past lives. The Akashic records, as you know, are a library of all our past lives and have been made available to mankind only in the last 5 years. One key reason why our guides have made these records available to us is to heal our relationships. Healing at the level of past lives is very, very subtle, and it happens very powerfully. It's just that we do not understand it when it manifests itself. Stronger relationships emerge when we go and see what is the karmic debt that we are carrying from those lifetimes into this lifetime. It could be a husband whose wife has cheated on him. Once he goes back into the past lives to understand, does this root lie in the past lives, it's very easy for him to understand, forgive, accept in this life, thereby creating stronger relationships. The other way that healing happens at this level is when we understand our soul lessons. Maybe our lesson in this life is forgiveness. Maybe our lesson in this life is humility. Maybe our lesson in this life is trusting in the universe. And we have created circumstances around us that help us learn our lesson. An understanding of your soul lesson, once you go back into your past lives, seeing that you did not learn those lessons life after life and are carrying it in this life, makes your being very aware and makes your soul very aware that in this lifetime you must finish that lesson. With that intent, when we re-look at the same relationships, when we re-look at life, it's far easier to walk that path than it is in the absence of your soul lesson. Forgiveness becomes very easy, even pleasurable and enjoyable as a journey than what it was when we did not know how we have hurt the same people in another life. Sometimes there is a lot of other knowledge that comes up with these past lives. Sometimes the bonds and the karmic retributions are far higher than what we can imagine them to be. So if you want to know more about your past lives and you want to understand the power of the Akashic records, which is a type of energy healing, just like Reiki, then do read my blogs on the website on Akashic Records, or give us a call for a 15-minute free consult on 98116 26045. Have a good day.